if I'm listening to this podcast and I'm interested in all the things that you're talking about, I'm interested in learning more, some words of advice for that teenager and their families about exploring all the possibilities that come with an engineering degree, but then maybe even a focus on robotics. What are the words of advice you'd leave them?
This is Let's Talk Higher Ed.
I think the way to succeed in your degree is to do something that you like. So the most important thing is to sort of figure out whether you really like this engineering stuff. I obviously love it, but if you want to figure that out, go and take a look at what's been done. So go visit your local space center, or local planetarium, or local racetrack, or buy something and tinker with it. These days you can buy for $30, you can buy a nice robot kit where you can build something little, like a little self-balancing robot. Or try it and see if you enjoy it. Because that's the trick to getting a good outcome in your degree, is to like what you do, so it doesn't feel like work.